What the fuck's up, y'all? PTB coming back at you on another freaking dope ass video, and you already know what time it is, man. It's time for another email submission. And we're going to be reacting to a band known as Sedative, formerly known as Grenade Pain or Grenade Brain. They changed their name for some reason. Don't know why. Don't really know the whole story. But Ryan in the band got in contact with me. So this is for you, bud. The name of this song is called Cough Medicine, and we're about to check it out. So let's get at it. Yeah! Alright! Fuck yeah, boys! I like how it's changing from a little square into widescreen. That's really cool. Woo! Fuck yeah! What are you giving me, boys? What are you giving me here? Woo! Fuck yeah, boys! Oh, come on. Woo! Yes! Australia, dude, you guys are holding out on me, boys. You're holding out on me, man. Griffin, fucking get this shit on your playlist if you haven't already watched it by now. I'm sure you're already fucking on them, dude. Ryan, I'm gonna send this over to my VIP on Patreon. His name's Griffin, and he can get you guys pretty big influences that you can play with. But yeah, man, Griffin's a really, really good friend of mine, so I'll give him this track for sure, dude. This was fucking amazing, dude. Keep doing what you do, boys. Seriously, I love the fact that your video was switching from what do you want to call it, standard screen to fucking widescreen, like in the beginning. Dude, that was so fucking cool. Sorry, I really hate this tooth, dude. Like I chipped my tooth the other day, and yeah, I gotta go to the dentist. Sorry, but anyways, dude, that was fucking dope, bro. That was fucking dope. Keep doing what you guys do. And until next time, thank you for building the empire. Peace!